Welcome back to MVP Auto 08, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special, an off-road beast that defines luxury and performance, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 4x4 squared. This is not just any G-Wagon, it's the ultimate off-road machine, packed with power, tech, and an unmistakable presence on and off the road. If you thought the standard AMG G63 was already over the top, Mercedes just cranked it up to 11. The 4x4 squared edition takes everything great about the G-Wagon and amplifies it. Massive ground clearance, widened fenders, portal axles, and a commanding presence that makes every other SUV on the road look small. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the G63 4x4 squared retains that classic boxy G-Wagon look, but with a much more aggressive twist. The carbon fiber wheel arches, a raised suspension, and huge 22-inch wheels wrapped in off-road tires make it clear that this machine means business. The iconic Panamericana grille with vertical slats and AMG badging gives it that signature high-performance look. The 4x4 squared stands significantly taller than the standard G63, thanks to its portal axles. These unique axles allow for greater ground clearance, more than 13 inches, making obstacles look like mere speed bumps. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or deep water crossings, this SUV is built to handle it all. Step inside, and the story continues. This isn't just a rugged off-roader, it's also a first-class luxury experience. The cabin is wrapped in Nappa leather, carbon fiber accents, and high-end materials throughout. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and infotainment system offer seamless connectivity, while the Burmester surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. The AMG steering wheel feels sporty, featuring Dynamica microfiber grips and controls for everything at your fingertips. The drive mode selector allows you to switch between comfort, sport, and off-road modes, adjusting the suspension and power delivery for different terrains. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the G63 4x4 squared is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This beast sends all that power to all four wheels through the AMG Tune 9-speed automatic transmission. Despite its size and weight, it sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. That's sports car territory for an off-road machine. This isn't just about straight-line speed. The off-road capabilities are what truly make this G63 4x4 squared special. With 3 locking differentials, adaptive suspension, and those portal axles, this SUV can conquer terrains that most vehicles wouldn't dare approach. Whether it's deep mud, steep inclines, or rough rocky trails, nothing stands in its way. But here's the best part. Despite its rugged DNA, the G63 4x4 squared is also a comfortable daily driver. On the road, it feels composed, thanks to the refined suspension and AMG tuning. Yes, it's tall, wide, and loud, but that's exactly what makes it stand out. Now, let's talk price. Owning a piece of this off-road luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 4x4 squared starts at around $350,000, and with custom options, it can easily cross the $400,000 mark. But for those who want the ultimate blend of power, prestige, and off-road dominance, this is the SUV to have. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 4x4 squared the ultimate off-road luxury SUV, or is it just pure excess? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome car content. Thanks for watching MVP Auto 08, and we'll see you in the next one.